A warm welcome to all. Greetings of the day. I am D. Kumaresan, Assistant Professor in the Department of Management Studies in NPR College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to see the subject Legal Aspects of Business in MBA. In the very first unit, we are going to discuss about Indian Contract Act. In this video, we are going to see about the first part, definition part, definition of the contract. Indian Contract Act 1872. Indian Contract Act enacted in 1872. Indian Contract Act comes into the force September 1, 1872. It is based on the English law, English common law, which is British law. It contains 266 sections and 11 chapters. In the Contract Act, have the provisions of following. Which one is first one? General principle of the law of contract and quasi contracts, which deals the section under 1 to 75. Second one contains special kind of contract, which as follows. It has three segregation. One is indemnity and guarantee, section 124 to 147, and bailment and pledge 148 to 181. Agency is a very important topic, which deals 182 to 238. In this act, which deals very important definitions, it should be followed in the Contract Act. It is a very small definitions, 10 definitions there. It is very important, so we have to see these definitions under the act. Most of the definitions all come under the section 2 only. Section 2 deals the definition part in this Contract Act. First one, proposal. In the Contract Act, proposal is very important area. Proposal should know everyone. Proposal means under the section 2A, when one person signifies to another his willingness to do or to abstain from doing anything with a view of obtaining the acceptance of the other to such act as absence, he is said to be make a proposal. Proposal is very important one. Proposal means one of getting or buying something from offering, which is called proposal. Another one, second one is another one definition. It is a promise definition. Section 2B, which deals promise, which means when the person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent thereto, the proposal is said to be accepted. A proposal, when accepted, became a promise. When the proposal, already in the previous section 2A, we know about the proposal. The proposal, when accepted, it became a promise. Okay, when the proposal accepted, it became a promise. So this is the section B. Section 2B, promise, which was the definition given in Contract Act. Then another one is offeree, promisee. Offeree, who is giving the offeree to offerer, which is called offeree and offerer. It's a very important terms in the Contract Act. Offeree, who offers the contract, and who getting the the contract. Both are called as an offeree, offerer. Which the definition given for the offeree, promisee. Offeree is also called as a promisee. Under the section 2C, a person who makes the offer proposal, offer or a proposal is called an offerer or promiser, and the person to whom offerer or proposal is made is called offeree or promisee. Okay, this is the definition for offeree and promise. Now next one, consideration. Next one, fourth one is consideration for the promise. Consideration for the promise. It is section D, 2 section D. When at a desire of a promiser, the promisee or any other person has done or abstain from doing or does or abstain from doing or promise to do or abstain from doing something such act as absence or promises is called a consideration for the promise. Okay, this is the definition given for the consideration for the promise. Next one is agreement. Agreement, the term mostly used in the Contract Act. Agreement should know everyone. Agreement section 2E. It is a section 2E deals with agreement. Every promise and every set of promises forming consideration for each other, which is the definition for agreement given in the Contract Act. Now another one is sixth one, reciprocal promises. Promises which from the consideration are a part of the consideration for each other are called as reciprocal promises. Then seventh one, which is also important, void agreement. Which one is void agreement? We should know the definition for the void agreement. Section 2G, an agreement is not enforceable by law is valid. Void agreement. Void means void one. Okay, an agreement not enforceable by law is void. Not enforceable by law is void. Void means void one. Then contract. Now we are giving the Contract Act. It is very important. It will become under this 2-mark area, and the definitions more or less come under the 2-mark area in the university exams. So we should thorough in this definition part. Dear students, contract definition in contract law. Contract section 2H. A contract is an agreement enforceable by law, which is the contract definition given in Contract Act. Okay, very good. Right, ninth one, voidable contract. Voidable contract, section 2I. An agreement which is enforceable by law at the option of one or more of the parties thereto, but not at the option of the other, or to option of one or more of the parties thereto, but not at the option of other or other, is a void contract, voidable contract. Okay, very good. Next, last one, a void contract. Okay, void contract. In the previous we discussed what is void agreement. Now under the seventh point we discussed void agreement. Void agreement is section 2G. Here we are seeing void contract. Okay, void contract. Void contract, a contract which causes to be enforceable by law. It is section 2J, a contract which causes to be enforceable by law. Okay, dear students, in this video we discuss what are the important definitions which is in the Indian Contract Act. So we get an introduction about the Indian Contract Act 1872, and another important definitions we discuss what is proposal, what is promise, what is offeree and promisee, and fourth one, consideration for a promise, agreement and reciprocal promise, void agreement, contract, and ninth one, voidable contract and void contract. Thank you for the watching. In the next class we discuss about the part essential element of contract, which is also very important area. Let us see the next part of the video. Thank you very much.